for my surprise, half of the song I couldn't understand who the singer is. He was so good, and he was. I said, "Kaun hai Gana kaun hai?" And then I realized, oh, it's Tiger.
when it comes to creativity, I feel you are sensitive about your creativity, whether it's about India or whether it's about dance or it's about putting your song out. Creativity comes with a lot of sensibility, and sensibility then later on becomes sensitivity about something that you're doing. So people are usually sensitive about what they say, especially when it's about your country.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani, and today I'm super pleased to be chatting with Remo D'Souza and Vishal Mishra, who recently released their song Vande Mataram. Hi Remo sir, hi Vishal, how have you two been?
Very good, thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Okay, so firstly, great song, congratulations. It just came out on YouTube yesterday, and I was reading a few comments, and people are really liking the new vibe that the song has. Now we have all heard Vande Mataram, but this is something different. So, you tell me, how was your time working on it?
I think we shall go first because where the whole thing started. So you.
Yeah, sure.
See, basically, we wanted to make a Vande Mataram that is more emotional as per us, and we wanted a very singable contemporary Vande Mataram. And this feeling started from it started actually 2 years back. Me and Jackie and Disha, we were all jamming, and we started working on a tune that we wanted to use as a song. And then some 6 months back, I made a full song out of it. And then everybody heard it, ki, "Arey, ye to Vande Mataram hai, and this can really be good." And there were direct comparisons with the Vande Mataram of Rahman Saab. But see, this is a different song. We have had a lot of Vande Matarams in this country. So this is another version. It is our version, and we just wanted to pay a wonderful dedication to all the forces and people that have been working very hard to keep us safe. And these are negative times, and we thought, why not give out some positivity? We tried doing that with Muskurayega India last year, and it became a rage, a national anthem of sorts. And the idea is to make a similar kind of a song. And then Tiger heard the song, and he really liked it, and he was very keen to sing it and very energetic about it. And we all worked really hard. And then the result is out. And then Remo sir did his magic on the song, and he made it even better. And it's out, and it's getting so much love. So I feel really grateful.
That's great. Remo sir, what about you?
Yeah, how Vishal said that he worked so hard for 2 years, and then he made an amazing song. And after that, I came in the picture. Jackie called me and he made me hear. And for my surprise, half of the song I couldn't understand who the singer is. He was so good, and he was. I said, "Kaun hai Gana kaun hai?" And then I realized, oh, it's Tiger. And then I said, it's amazing how he sang the song, and I knew कि बहुत मेहनत की होगी उसने. He must have worked really hard to sing the song, because it's not an easy song to sing it. And उसके साथ साथ विशाल ने बहुत मेहनत की होगी, because to come up with such a song, very very hard work. I mean, सबका काम, everyone, the team has actually worked so well. So that's how the song did come out well.
Perfect, definitely. And I think it was a perfect blend of everything. As you said, even I couldn't recognize Tiger's voice. I was only seeing him in the music video, and I was like, yeah, it's Tiger, he's performing. But then I realized he's singing also. So that was a very great mix and blend that was done. The composition was so good, the direction was so good. So, but it's a song that, as you mentioned, Vande Mataram, so many people have already made it, and people have emotions attached to Vande Mataram. When we hear it, we feel patriotic, we feel the love for our country. So was there any part where you felt that we have to deal with the song also very sensitively?
See, any song, any patriotic song, when you talk about India, when you talk about defense force and everything, you have to be very sensitive. You have to be very careful that what are you shooting, how are you shooting, what is in that. Especially even for Vishal, I think it'll be very difficult because the lyrics has to be correct,
Yeah.
music has to be correct, and everything has to be correct. So yeah, we took care of all that thing, and then that's how we came up with the song, and uh, that's how we shot the song. But
Mm.
lyrics and music, I think Vishal will say about that.
Yeah.
when it when it comes to creativity, I feel you are sensitive about your creativity, whether it's about India
Okay.
or whether it's about dance or it's about putting your song out. Creativity comes with a lot of sensibility, and sensibility then later on becomes sensitivity about something that you're doing. So people are usually sensitive about what they say, especially when it's about your country. I think they are even more sensitive. So yes, of course, you have to. If you feel Indian, if you feel patriotic enough, I think you will be sensitive in something that you're writing or making or shooting about the country. So I think it was sensible and sensitive both, and I'm so glad that it has turned out so well.
Also, talking about the collaboration with Jackie Bhagnani and Just Music. Now we have seen in the past that Just Music has had massive releases. Almost all their
Hmm.
songs they release and go on to become viral, and people enjoy listening to those songs. So, how was your collaboration with the label?
Vishal.
Me or sir?
Both of you, Vishal, you can start, and then
See, when it comes to Remo sir, for me, I say it again and again, and I will keep saying it till I'm here, that it's like homecoming for me. I've known him for a lot of years. We might have not worked so much together, but I have known him from I don't know how many years,
So many girls.
And I think ABCD 1 or 2, I don't even remember that. So it's like homecoming for me when he does something, and I feel really emotionally connected to him. And when it's about Jackie, me and Jackie have done some great collaborations. Me and Just Music, we did Muskurayega India, which really is a part of us, and it came through a very difficult period where we were all in lockdown, mental and
yeah,
physical both. And now this Vande Mataram and the projects that we do in future also, there are very ambitious and emotional projects. So for me, it's like homecoming. And as an artist, what only thing that you seek is validation. All the artists at the end want people to praise their work and validate their work. And I'm so glad that we do something. There's so much hard work that goes on: choreographers, director,
yeah.
music director, singer, engineers, VFX, X, Y, Z, so many people on the team, hundreds and 150 number of people coming, doing something. And when people validate it, it feels great. So for me, it's a very grateful feeling at this point of time.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Remo sir?
My collaboration was the first collaboration with Just Music,
Yeah,
not Jackie, not with Vishal, not
yeah,
with Tiger, because I know all three of them so many years, and we've been doing so many stuff together. And
Yeah.
me and Jackie go long back. Uh, my first film was with him, and then me and Vishal go really back, way
Yeah, yeah.
back, because I know him since I don't know ages.
Forever.
So
We're aging together now.
yeah. So now Tiger also. But for Just Music, this was the first collaboration we all had together, and it's great. This is the beginning, so let's see what comes up next now.
Hopefully.
yeah. We'll be waiting for yet another collaboration.
Yes.
Uh, Great. Also, Remo, so how was it directing Tiger? Now, whenever we have seen Tiger, he's very disciplined, and we have seen him. He's very hardworking as well. But is he like a director's actor? And how was it directing him in a song?
He is definitely, I would say, not one of the best hardworking actor I have come across in my life. So I know how hard working that was.
Yeah,
He is amazing. He's a director's actor. You tell him to do this. Whenever I work with him, it's not that he gets, um, you know, uh, not anxiety or something like that. He doesn't get any worries, but I get worries
yeah,
because I know I have to push myself because I've done everything with him.
yeah,
So I have to push myself to do better so that he does something new. Otherwise, you tell Tiger to do anything, he does it very nicely. So you have to be very prepared when you're working with Tiger. That what are you coming up with a new stuff which he's not done anything before. So that's how whenever I work with him, it's amazing. to work with him because he is, as I said, director's actor. So you tell him to do anything, he'll do it exactly the way you want. So it's amazing. So you have to be prepared.
True, that's great. And Vishal, also when we hear that a song is of yours, Vishal Mishra is composing it, or it's coming from your end, people start expecting a certain level of, maturity or a certain level of hype, and people start anticipating. Has there ever become a pressure on your shoulders that now people are expecting so much from me? So something like that.
See, I'm very clear. I have always had this thought that these point of views belong to other people, you know.
Correct.
इसका काम चल रहा है, इसका काम नहीं चल रहा, जिसकी पिक्चर चली, जिसकी पिक्चर नहीं चली. This is a point of view that somebody else has about you. If you take them too seriously, then there is a problem, you know. So I concentrate on doing my best. If I'm doing something, it's like something coming out from my womb. It's like a mother giving birth to a baby. So these are really important things to me, and everybody wants to do good work. So I try to make songs that become like companions for people, to sing songs that become like companions for people, because we are all basic people, we are all vulnerable people, we need companions, and it's just about letting people celebrate what they have in them. So I'm just trying that, and I'm so glad that I get so much love from people. It's a great feeling for an artist when you get validated for things that you do. But for me, I just want to make music that helps people heal, helps people feel something that they want to feel, and celebrate what they feel, because that is the most important aspect of my creations.
Agreed completely. And was the Independence Day week release always in the picture? Because I was just going through Instagram and people have started making reels now, and I'm sure they'll just go on making, because of course it's that feel. We have the Independence Day vibe as well, and the song is matching the tone. So was that always the plan?
You're asking the wrong people.
Yeah.
You have to ask this question from marketing
You're
people
wrong.
that have marketed this.
Okay, but no, when you were making it and directing it, you did not know that it will be releasing now.
See, somehow as a director or as a music director, if you're making a song on Peter. See, for me, it's not about 15th August or 26th January. It's a patriotic song. Every day is a patriotic
Yeah,
thing for
true.
us.
Agreed. Yeah. Vishal, do you want to add something to that?
I released Muskurayega India on I think last year. We released it in March. There was no 26.
April beginning.
April, yeah, I had two releases. I think Muskurayega and Aaj Bhi came together. So it happened in April, and there is no August and January there. I feel Ramos is so right that when you're talking about
April we released on my birthday, and see.
If you're making a song, if you're making a sad song, there is no date for it. If you're making a patriotic song, there is no date for it. If you're making a dance song, there is no date for it. So these dates are decided by people who market the songs.
Okay.
And we as creators are always out of it. So, next time we'll get the marketeers as well here.
No worries. Okay. Thank you so much, Vishal and Remo, sir. It was a pleasure chatting with you too, hoping for yet another collaboration between you guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.